Okay, so we're going to deal with outliers using the binning method. We're going to bucketize our features. So let's look actually at this column right here to start off with. So if we go df dot year dot plot and then kind equals hist equals hist. So what we'll do, you can see we have quite a few over to the left, but my experience has been with year features or date features. It's usually better to bucketize them than just clip and truncate these outliers here on the left hand side. And so this will also allow for non-linearity in our modeling as well, because something that over here could affect something over here in the same way, but in the middle it could go up and then down. And so we need to be conscious of this, and binning is a great way to deal with this. So what we're going to do first is we're going to get this, and let me just show you what this data frame will look like. We're going to call .describe on just the one feature that we want to bucketize. So here, and you can see here we get this. This by itself isn't super helpful. And what we need, we can see the index is over here on the left side. The count means standard deviation, min, max. That's our standard deviation, but we really want these values. And specifically, we want the values for the 5-point distribution. So min, 25, 50, 75, and max. And if we do that, what we're going to do is we're going to assign that data frame to a new data frame and called df underscore year. And then what we're going to do is we're going to, let's get rid of this values first. So you can see here now we've indexed this from the third position, so the fourth place, to the end. So from minimum all the way down to the bottom, and you can see we have that here. But we don't really need the index value. So if we just want to get the values, we can go dot, and you need dot values to get an array of just the values. And so now we get the values here, and we can see that we have those. We're then going to use this in bucketizing our column. So we can see here, we'll go year is equal to pd.cut df year, and then we're going to set the bins. So when you think of binning, if you want to make 4 bins, if you want to make 1 bin, you need 2 limits on the outside. If you want to make 4, you would need 5 limits. So you can see here we have 5, the min to the max, our 5-point distribution. But that's only going to make 4 bins. So we're going to label them G1, G2, G3, G4, just to give them kind of a generic name. And so let's run that. And if we run the value counts now in that column, we can see we've converted it from a continuous feature into categories of the years based on where they occur.